So it's more about the experience than the actual dollars and cents.
Yeah.
From an outsider's point of view, people look at this industry and think, well, if I get enough lenders and I've got the lowest rate, I'll win business. But what people find, if you want ongoing business, it's not about rate. It's not about lenders. It's not about fees. It's about the human interaction.
Yeah, and how often are we actually applying for finance? It's not just about doing one home loan and then
exactly
closing
right.
the book, is it?
Yeah, so most Australians will need a broker once every 15 months.
Yeah.
So that's either they're needing new lending, they're looking for changes to existing lending, they're looking for car loans, they're looking for personal loans, it could be other vehicle finance.
That's right.
If they're self-employed, then we're looking at trade finance, debtor finance, invoice finance, commercial properties, business banking finance, and overdrafts. I mean, the list goes on and on.
Yeah, it really does. And if you're trying to do that all yourself, whilst looking after your family, much better to use an expert in their field.
Definitely. But it's also about who can take you on your journey to achieve your goals. So I think where we are in Australia at the moment, we're at a bit of a crossroads. Household debt is about 185%, which is worrying.
Yeah.
People don't really have the right facilities because they might have just been looking at the short term rather than the long term. A finance broker can have a conversation with you, and by law they have to have this conversation. Where do you want to go to in the next 3 to 5 years?
Right.
And that is really a blueprint for what assistance you need from the broker on that journey through those 3 to 5 years.
Really helping you with long-term goals.
Definitely. That's what it's all about. And a broker's rewarded for that. They're rewarded for the amount of effort they put into keeping the client, because if the client is satisfied and they keep transacting with the broker, they stay on the broker's books.
Yeah.
It's very much a relationship business rather than transactional.
So it's really important to obtain that customer and make sure that you're offering fantastic customer service.
Exactly right. There are only two real factors, back to your original question, what should people consider before they became a broker? They should ask themselves, am I good at acquisition?
Yeah.
So am I good at getting people in the door? And second thing, am I good at retention? Once I have them, am I good at maintaining the relationship, remaining relevant in that relationship, and keeping them part of my orbit?
Great question.